Okay, so let's answer the 3 exercises. So y is equal to solution. What is dy over dx? 1/3. And then 4x squared minus 2x raised to negative 2/3 times 8x minus 2. Okay, let's leave it like that. Did you get the same answer? Okay, number 1. Number 2 is y equals the 4th root of 2x minus 3. So y is equal to, what should we do first? Rewrite. And this will be the same as 2x minus 3 raised to 1 over 4. It's basically the same with the first one. dy over dx is equal to 1/4 times 2x minus 3 negative 3/4 times 2. Okay, we could see that 2 and 4 are related, so this is just over 2, right? For further simplification, just bring down the 2x minus 3 to make it positive exponent. And then lastly, it's the one with y is 6 over the square root of 5x minus 2. There are at least 2 ways on how we can find the derivative of this. Let's see what you use. Suggestion? And you can use quotient rule. Sige, solution number 1 muna tayo. Using the quotient rule, so it will be square root of 5x minus 2 times, okay, derivative of a constant is 0 minus 6 times, so imagine 5x minus 2 square root as 5x minus 2 to the 1/2. So that's 1/2 5x minus 2 raised to negative 1/2 everything times 5, and then okay, we will square the square root, so it's 5x minus 2. The first group is just 0, and then 6 and 2, they will cancel, so this becomes 3, but there's a 5, so we have negative 15 5x minus 2 raised to negative 1/2 over 5x minus 2. But if you look at the numerator and the denominator, we have the same 5x minus 2 as the base. So how do we combine those two 5x minus 2 into a single 5x minus 2? Ibababa. If we will move down the 5x minus 2 to negative 1/2, it is 5x minus 2 to the positive 1/2. How do you combine that with the 5x minus 2? So rule of the exponents. Let's write it down first. It will be like this. Your key is, you should recognize that there is a 1 there. So how do you combine the two? You add the exponent, and the new exponent is 3 over 2. Yeah, and there are other ways to simplify it. I mean extension. Like you change it to radical expression, you rationalize, but we can settle with this. Yeah. Negative 15 over 5x minus 2 raised to 3 over. Okay, so that's the answer. These are the answers to the exercises.